Hello friends, today we are going to make a ridge gourd salad. This ridge gourd is freshly picked up from my garden. It is tender, fresh and crispy. Ridge gourd is one of the very low calorie vegetable carrying just 20 calories per 100 grams. It is delicate and moderate levels of minerals and vitamins in addition to being rich in antioxidants. Being rich in dietary fibers and smooth flesh, ridge gourd facilitates easy digestion and smooth bowel movements. Then I'm going to use small capsicum. This is also picked up from my garden. So fresh and crispy. It also has modest source of B complex vitamin B3, B5 and B6 and minerals such as calcium, iron, zinc, potassium, manganese and magnesium. Now I am cutting into small pieces and I'm removing the soft flesh inside. Getting it ready to cut into small pieces. One safety precaution that we need to take care. All right, at this point I want to test if this guy is a sweet one or a bitter one. Sweet, so I'm going to use it for salad. Just discard the vegetable if it is bitter in taste, just to avoid the unwanted situations later. Now let me discard the unwanted things, and then I'm cutting into small pieces. The size of the each piece could be around the 3 to 4 cubes, maybe the size of maybe a rice grain will be good. Yes, see, that is the size of the each cube that I'm cutting into. Then I'm cutting these freshly picked capsicum. Bell peppers are loaded with various vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C, B6, K1. It is a form of vitamin K. It's important for blood clotting and bone health. And it has potassium, folate, vitamin E. Is a powerful antioxidant. Is essentially healthy, for nerves and muscles. Now we are ready. Transferring them into mixing bowl. Going to add some lime juice. I'm going to add a little bit ginger to that. So you can either mince the ginger or just cut into small pieces and just mix it with the cut vegetables. Now I'm going to add freshly grated coconut. Coconut is very good for health. It contains medium chain triglycerides, and your body metabolizes these MCTs differently than other types of fats. Your body absorbs these MCTs directly from your small intestine and rapidly uses them for energy. And these fats will promote body fat loss when eaten in place of long chain saturated fats from the animal foods. So it is very good for you. Now mix all of them well and see if you need to add any salt and pepper for the taste. Very good. Without salt and pepper, it is tasting very nice, crispy and fresh. See, So easy, delicious, healthy. All right. Thank you, guys.